Guys, welcome to Forex and Crypto Life. It's the one and only Forex and Crypto Life. Welcome to the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, I will recommend that you subscribe for more updates on the happenings in the mining world. I think we have come to the era of mining. I've always said that. Today, I'm not going to waste my time. Fomominer is launching 00 UTC today, or let me say 13th, which is, it's about some few minutes to go. No, we cannot talk about Fomominer without talking about the popcorn team. The popcorn team has been, doing a lot of work. I think they got it hard. They are, brave enough. The CEO and team are working, so hard. But I think there was a hitch. When you look at this, Fomominer belongs to the popcorn team. So this is popcorn version 1, popcorn version 2, the lottery version 1. I think there's a couple of things coming up. But, you don't see one of their projects here, which is Daniel Loki Miner. Daniel Loki Miner, has been active for the past 18 days, but got hit to the rock. It got the TVL got drained because people panicked and withdrew all their capital out of it. They don't stick button and got out of the contract. So that sent the whole TVL to the bottom, and everything got vanished. So I think from then the popcorn team decided that they will have to introduce another miner, which is the fear of missing out miner, the FOMO miner. I don't think this FOMO is gonna catch you, but if you really intend to invest, I think they have been able to put in a couple of changes to their system and their programs and their project. And I don't know whether this is going to last or not, but I think that all belongs to the community, because there's been a couple of up and down in the community. Everybody don't understand why they no lucky should get out of the mining, apps and all that. I think definitely, if you're an investor on Daniel Loki, you definitely, especially when you lost, when you couldn't recover your investment, it's gonna put you so high in losses. I think that wasn't great. But Daniel Loki is gone. Fomominer is now here. Is launching soon. 00 is launching soon. And I think they have put in a couple of things that I want to take you through so you understand. So this is it. So Fomominer belongs to the popcorn team. I think I have some videos on them you can look through. I think we have worked on a couple of them. Let me try sharing this page for you to see. Yeah.
I truly believe that if you want to succeed in sales or any type of business job,
yeah. It's coming up. Yeah. So we'll have it here.
Keys to writing sales emails
so
like in land prospects.
You can see that. Yeah.
Hello guys, welcome to Forex and Crypto Life.
Thank you. All right. So this is Daniel Loki. We did a video on it, and then it's paying. 2 weeks ago it was paying so well, and then this panic came in, and I think it got drained when the TV reached 200,000. We were expecting that to wanna go great, but it unfortunately happened. And investors want confidence in where they place their money. So if they have issues or they have some doubt about where their money is being kept, then they panic and they go straight and withdraw their money. And there was an on-stake button on Daniel Loki, and you could on-stake your money and get 50% out of it. So everybody went in and just withdrew the money, and that was it. So let's look at Fomominer. So let's look at what changes have they put in place to make sure that this one lasts. We don't want a situation whereby people put their money and at the end they make losses. So let's see. So you can see this dashboard. Their contract is here to start, so it's at 0. Now they are paying up to 16% daily fixed ROI, and you can only withdraw every week, not every day. Daniel Loki was withdrawing every day, and everybody was withdrawing every day by hour, and that really got the balance to the bottom. So Daniel Loki is paying fixed 16% ROI every day, but you can withdraw 50% of it every week. You understand? Withdrawal fee has now been has gone up to 10%, and the deposit fee has gone up to 6%. So this is it. So daily rewards you have to claim every 24 hours. I think we all know this. When you have to claim the next one. Available withdrawal after 7 days, you have to withdraw 50% of it. I think it also calculates for you. When you want to invest, you click the amount to invest. When you want to invest maybe $1,000, you click you approve, then you can come and it's done. Your money start counting in there. So now you can see that there is no unstick button here. I think one of the challenges the CEO of the popcorn team have noted is that many people panicked and clicked on the unstick button and took 50% of their investment. It's better to get 50% than to get zero. So they took 50% and got out of the contract. So now the unstick button is not no more part of the Fomominer. I don't know how this is going to affect the whole behavior of the investors. But I think that even if you plan it now, you cannot unstake. You have to wait until you get your money out. I think it's a bit of check on the system, and I think it's better than before. So I think probably a couple of things has been done, and I think this is going to help a couple of investors in here. So guys, this is it. You see the daily ROI. People ask about sustainability of the investment when you are paying as high ROI 16%. But I think they have their something under their sleeves. They are bringing out. So let's go into their contract documents so that we can see. I mean the documents so that we can see what they want to do. So basically, this is it. So you can see it belongs to the popcorn team. Is already here. They have the popcorn protocol. The BSD version 1 was done. Go to version 1 launch 11 July. Version 2 launch 19 July. It's also working. Daniel Loki just gets missing because it's been drained. So definitely it's not gonna be part. So they start with the disclaimer. It's a high risk. We always say it's a high risk program. So you make your due diligence. You make your your search for Forex and Crypto Life. We are not financial experts. We are treating this as for educational purposes so that you can make your decisions and research before you invest. And any amount you invest, you make sure you invest an amount you can afford to lose so that you don't make excessive losses when the unfortunate happens like it happened in Dino. So it has always been preached, and you have to always make your due diligence and know how you want to invest or how to turn around your money. So you are earning 16% per day. So you have 10%, 11% referral fees. The overview, I think I've spoken much about it. So you have to claim mandatory 24 hours. Then the next cycle begins. The investor invests their earnings after withdrawals to maximum returns. That daily prior allowed to be withdrawn up to 50%. And the withdrawal fee is what? It's 10%. I've already spoken about this. So that is it. So this is a stable blah blah blah. It's like it is. So this is their document on it. This is their compensation plan and all that. So the emergency withdrawal button is taken out of the website. I've already told you about that. Investors will receive 5 times the amount of the base investment during the return cycle. So until completion, for example, there will be a return cycle based on $100 BUSD to end when investors receive a return of 5 times. So when you get 5 times your investment, you are out until you reinvest again. So I think basically that is it, and we look to see it, growing and growing and growing to gain confidence in the popcorn team. I think they have a lot of work to do. There's been numerous complaints on the Telegram channel on behavior and all that. I think they have learned their lessons. They can turn this around and make it better for themselves and for the investors. I think that they need to gather some kind of momentum to gain the investors' confidence back. I think Popcorn V1 V2 was doing well. I don't know what happened to Dino Loki, but that's one of it. It's investment. You can actually make profit or loss, so that's no problem. So guys, this is basically what I have for you today on FOMO. Fomominer is launching right now, 13th August 0000 UTC time. It's gonna be great. And then you can follow and look at all the things that you do. So I will not waste my time. Time is already taken for this to start, and I think everybody in the community is geared up for this. People who still believe that popcorn can turn things around are waiting for it. Some people too, they are not more interested in popcorn because of how happening down the low key, but that is your decision. So, guys, I will leave the link in the video so that you can follow to the website and look at the changes and everything there. If you want to invest, then you can also do that based on your own decisions. Guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel, I will recommend that you subscribe to it. There will be more updates on this as I've been giving you, and you'll be able to get access to a lot of information that I'll be sharing on the popcorn team and other miners doing so well too in the decentralized app system. So, guys, thank you so much. This is Forex and Crypto Life. We love you, and we expect that you give us a thumbs back. Thank you.